Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore some important aspects that play a crucial role in the process of effective communication. So, let's dive right in. When we think about communication, we often visualize a journey that starts with a source, travels through a message, finds its way through a channel, and finally reaches the receiver. This linear flow forms the foundation of the communication process. It's fascinating to see how different mediums of communication operate. For example, consider the asynchronous medium of a newspaper. It brings news to us, but unlike real-time conversations, it allows us to absorb information at our own pace. On the other hand, internet chatting represents parallel communication. It enables us to engage in real-time conversations, where messages can flow back and forth simultaneously. Now, let's shift our focus to the intriguing world of nonverbal communication. It follows a distinct order, from signs to symbols, from symbols to codes, and even incorporating colors. Each element adds depth and meaning to our nonverbal interactions. But what about feedback? Well, feedback is a crucial component of communication. It's the response we receive from our audience, their thoughts, opinions, and reactions. Feedback helps us gauge the effectiveness of our message and adjust accordingly. Have you ever heard of cybernetics? It's the study of feedback systems in various domains, including humans, animals, and even machines. Understanding how feedback operates allows us to design more efficient and effective communication systems. Now, let's talk about interviews, a prime example of dyadic or interpersonal communication. During an interview, a meaningful exchange takes place between two individuals, where questions are asked, responses are given, and insights are shared. Language, our powerful tool for communication, serves as a verbal code. It allows us to express our thoughts, emotions, and ideas using words, enabling effective understanding and meaningful interactions. And there you have it, some important points to note when it comes to communication. From understanding the flow of communication to exploring nonverbal cues, feedback systems, and the role of language, each element contributes to effective and meaningful communication.